Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fit Ford Transit custom seat covers. First, gather your tools like a trim removal tool and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure your seats are clean and dry. Always read the instructions that come with your specific seat covers. This preparation ensures a smooth installation and a perfect fit for your vehicle's interior. Now, let's fit the main sections. Start with the seat base cover, gently pulling it over the cushion. Take your time to align the seams perfectly. Then, secure it firmly underneath the seat using the provided straps or elastic. Next, slide the backrest cover over the seat back, making sure it's snug around the headrest openings for a professional look. Moving on to the smaller details, first remove your headrests from the seats. Slide their covers on, pulling them down firmly for a smooth, wrinkle-free finish. If your Ford Transit Custom has armrests, carefully slide the armrest covers over them. This attention to detail ensures every part of your seat is protected and looks great. Finally, it's time for those finishing touches. Smooth out any wrinkles or creases to achieve a perfectly tailored look. Reattach any plastic trim or panels you might have removed earlier. Double-check all straps and fasteners to confirm your seat covers are securely in place. Enjoy your refreshed Ford Transit Custom interior with its new protective seat covers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.